I don't know what these two are arguing about. It's a blue-footed booby. This one's a blue-footed booby. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna keep y'all away from me. Y'all can argue. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let y'all know that the rainstorm finally moved that way. So this whole side is finally clear, and I can finally see the blowholes with my friends here. How you doing? Nope. Anyway, yeah, the blowholes, but it was much more better to see the blowholes when it was raining because the waves were more rocky. Isn't that right, buddy? Alright, enough playing.